Let me show you how we stay in gorgeous homes all over the world for free while we're between cruises. Hi there! You know from our other videos that living on cruise ships sometimes is difficult when you have to change ships or wait for the next ship, or sometimes you just want to do a road trip in a new country in between your travels. So today I want to share how we stay in some amazing homes all around the world for free. Sure, of course we could stay in a hotel, but today I want to introduce to you a home exchange program that we've been part of for years. If you have a few days or a few weeks where you actually want to go and explore, then considering doing a home exchange may be for you. We've done home exchanges in Canada, France, Australia, Belgium, even Switzerland. Some of these stays were in storybook villages, a couple were in central spots where all the action is, a couple were completely remote, and one even had a deer just hanging out on the front lawn. Each of our experiences have been so amazing. We have selected homes of all types, and there are literally thousands of homes around the world to choose from. We use a website called homeexchange.com. And no, this is not a sponsored video, although home exchange, maybe you can call me. Kirk and I are genuinely obsessed with it, and I think you might love it too, especially if you're a cruiser like us who wants to stretch your travel budget. So, how does this magical travel hack work? I'm going to show you the home exchange program here on the website. I'm going to show you the map and how to search the properties. Here's how it works. You sign up and pay a $235 annual fee, and that gives you access to thousands of homes in literally over 130 countries. That's cheaper than a single night in some of these hotels these days. There are two types of exchanges that you could do: reciprocal and non-reciprocal. Reciprocal is where you stay in their home and they stay in yours. And non-reciprocal, with guest points, that's the one that Kirk and I use, you stay in someone's home using points and host someone else later to earn points back. So think of it as swapping hospitality. Sometimes we arrive to find a bottle of wine, a handwritten note, and even a local guidebook marked with secrets that the tourists don't even know. It's not just a stay, it's an experience. So for us, it's perfect between cruises. Instead of staying in a boring airport hotel, we might relax for a week or a few days in the countryside, do laundry, and yes, that's a luxury in cruise life, cook our own meals, and just breathe. Plus, it gives us a chance to live like locals. You're not stuck in a tourist bubble. You're picking up fresh bread from a real bakery, exploring nearby markets, maybe chatting with a neighbor over the fence. So here we're going to look at some of the guarantees on the home exchange program. So I know what you're thinking, but wait, what if somebody breaks something or ghosts me? Well, don't worry. Home exchange includes guarantees like property damage protection, theft coverage, and they give you 24/7 support and mediation if you need it. So far, Kirk and I have only had amazing experiences, and we've met some wonderful people through it, and it feels less like a transaction and more like travel with heart. So, do you want to consider trying it? I'm going to show you how you can sign up using my referral code. So if you're curious and want to give it a go, I have a referral code that you can use when you sign up, and you'll get bonus points. I think 250 bonus points. That's enough to stay somewhere for free for a perfect little weekend getaway. Just use my code. I'll get some guest points too, so it's a win-win. And there's no pressure. This is not a sales pitch. It's just a fun way to travel differently. And yes, you can do this if you don't even own a home. Some people exchange vacation homes, apartments, or even RVs. And of course, you don't have to be living on a cruise ship to do this or be a full-time cruiser like us. This kind of program works so well for everyone, like retirees, remote workers, people who are in between houses who are moving, people who want to save money while traveling, people who just want to find some space and not be in a hotel room. And of course, it is perfect for people who are cruisers like us who are in between sailings. So if you love the idea of living and not just staying, home exchange is seriously one of the coolest travel hacks we've found. All right, friends, so that's my little travel secret spilled. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun, and meaningful way to travel between cruises or just in general, give it a look. And again, the link is homeexchange.com and the referral code is Victoria-561D small case 9. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or if you're even thinking about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your travel-loving friends, and we'll see you on the next cruise or farm stay or wine region villa. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.